right, guys, diving back in. So the ANA Style 4, the Gamma 4 pop-up head collars. This is what actually goes inside of the PVC riser pipe, which ANA so generously provides for us. So if you ever buy an ANA pop-up head complete, like it's a Gamma 4, so they have the regular Gammas or the Venturi Gamma 4s. So if you want to buy the head and collar complete, it always comes with the riser pipe, which is glorious. Because what happens is this collar goes on the inside of the riser pipe and it glues in perfectly. They help you out when you plumb your pool. It's awesome. So the way that this works is these are installed before your pool gets its shotcrete or gunite. So this goes underneath all of that, the rebar, the whole 9 yards, then it sticks up. Concrete comes here, these pipes get trimmed, and then your collar goes on. If for some reason you plumb your pool already and you don't have the riser pipes, it's not a big deal. So what we can do is you take your regular PVC pipe that's sticking up out of the ground, and you have something called a reamer tool. ANA sells a reaming tool, and what they do, they go actually, the first part of it goes inside the pipe, and this part goes on your drill, and then when you actually turn the drill on, it starts shaving the pipe to thin it out to make it just like this one. Super cool, pretty easy to use actually. So yeah, so once you ream out your pipe, now the collar will slip right in. It's awesome. So with this collar, comes with 8 different color rings, which are super cool. So all the Pebble Tech colors out there, the Pebble Sheen colors, the Pebble Brilliance colors, it keeps growing exponentially. And these Pebble colors are going crazy. So what it is they have these 8 different color rings. Let me show you what they look like. So these 8 little rings, right? They come in white, gray, black, gold, tan, dark blue, Euro blue, and light gray. So super cool about these things. Let's take a black one so it kind of stands out against here. So once you have your pool done and these are in there, you really don't have to like commit to a color of a collar at any point in time. So even if you remodel your pool, you can change the color of your head at any time, because the only part that's going to show above your Pebble Tech is going to be this little ring. So it actually snaps right in there. And that's all you're going to see. So everything where my fingers are right now, that's going to be your Pebble Tech. It was just super cool. So all you're going to see is black. So we're going to pretend this head's black, so then it goes in there, so all you see is black and black. Same thing. You're going to remodel your pool. These color rings just snap on out. So now I'm going to go with, let's go plaster. So now we're going to go white. White head. Pretty awesome. So very, very ingenious part on ANA's part to actually make these interchangeable color rings. It makes it to where pretty much if you keep changing colors of Pebble or anything like that, you don't have to keep reaming out and drilling out your collars, your pop-up heads, and redoing it every single time. So everything's interchangeable. It's super awesome. Super, super awesome. So these collars, very easy to use. What it comes with is a little foam that goes in like that. I recommend the foam over the cap that it also comes with, because when the applicators are pebbling your pool, the foam will stick up above so they don't just pebble over the pop-up head. The problem that I have with these caps is it has to be used with the color ring, and then it actually snaps into place. Now how are you gonna get it out? Really, really hard to get it out. So you almost have to break it off or get a screwdriver in there, pop it out, or take the whole color ring off. I'm not a big fan of the caps. So obviously you're not gonna be able to push it off from the other side because this is concreted in. So pretty awesome, pretty easy. Pool builders seem to be going towards ANA pop-up heads more and more now. I think because of the convenience and the technology they have behind it. So I'm Jacob, thanks for watching. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.